They're about to rock up at Mount Walker. We'll get out, have a look. Seen some crazy videos of this place, so we'll see if we can drive it or maybe just Stewie or don't know. Soon see.
Is he gonna drive it or? Oh, that there looks fucking crazy.
Yeah, you've got to climb that, that's the thing.
It's the critical point.
Yeah, very critical.
Well, once you start,
Yeah.
once you get to this first step, you have to keep going.
Yeah, you can't stop.
Which way are you going, Stu? Are you going to do it or not?
Yeah, go right.
Dead.
How good is that?
Well done. You happy?
Yeah.
Made it.
It's good. First attempt.
Bloody hell.
All right.
Yep, you're straight, you're straight. Still straight, 500, here you go, dropping down.
Give him a high five now, go on. Well done, well done.
Killed it.
That was mental.
I'm not sure that I really want to break my car.
Everyone's come for a look-see.
Beautiful afternoon out here. So after that epic hill climb by Stewie in the Jeep, we're debating what to do. We don't know whether we're going to stay over this side and camp. There's so many cool camp spots out here on the river and all that. We were planning to go up to, I think it's Moffat's Trail or Moffat's Track or something, but it's up the highway a little way, so we don't know what to do. We're going to just explore in here a little bit more and then see what time it is. We wouldn't mind pulling up camp in the daytime.
10 cents.
Just got on the CV, Dave. He's 30 minutes away. And he got onto me.
Oh, yeah, right.
On the CV. There we go, we made the call, just aired up and we're on the road again. Gonna get a quick bite of fuel and head up to the Ben Bullen area. So it's about 30 clicks up the Castlereagh Highway and you turn off there. The clouds are starting to build, there was rain forecast, so see what the day brings. Hopefully we get a decent camp. We don't know where we're camping, so that's the only sticking point, but it's not the first time that we don't know where we're camping.
Look who it is! Good to see ya. Been a while.
Oh, that's why that thing went up Mount Walker. We're just going to go in and see what the hell we find.
Winging it?
We're going to follow Moffats though, hey?
Yeah, go on to Moffats, yep.
Yep, alright. Out to the Centenary Trail.
Yep.
Man, it's like chalk up here. It's blowing dust everywhere. Dusty on Moffats Trail. Thanks to Shad. Good on you, mate. Thanks. We're on to Moffats Trail. Looks like it's freshly graded, which is a bit of a bummer. But doesn't matter. It looks like it's going to. This takes us all the way through to Baal Bone Gap area. So excited to see the views and the valleys and all that sort of thing. Rock formations. Davo just joined us. Can't believe he made it up here. We a lot of talking on the CB to find each other, but yeah, he's here. Heavily fire affected in here. Found the mud holes that Shad was talking about. We're going around them as he advised. That must be the one he was talking about.
Yeah, don't do it. It's pretty deep.
That's like sand. Fucking shouldn't have done that. Give it! Go, go, go! Go! Hang on! That's not going anywhere, it's just belly.
Line dry.
That's bellied, yeah.
So clearly everyone needs to go that way.
Pull backwards or something, or pull forwards?
Pull backwards.
Show us how you do it, Louis. If you don't slip in, mate.
How flexible are you?
Well, it's got his fucking muddy shoe. How does it go? That way.
Oh, I can see this stick moving and Louis sliding out with the splits. What do you reckon?
Please
you
don't let me fall in.
I won't let you fall in. Well, unless the camera goes in with you. But I wouldn't let that happen.
No. I'd rather me go in. Yeah, this is an interesting section. Davo, there's a can, 10 cents in the middle of mud.
You grab it for me, you got dirty boots already. Now we're going to see if this winch works, eh? Oh, look at that.
Out today.
Oh, I already had it out there.
Stop. Yeah, fuck it, it won't need much. Going backwards.
Oh, it's on free spool. Hang on, stop, 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 stop. Yep. Go. Winching, go. Winching. Yeah, I reckon you're out now. Stop. Oh. Nice.
That's it's a little deep, boys.
Yeah, I think we'll go the other route. Shad, you were right. I believe you. I was doubting you for a minute, but then we found the holes.
Go find camp.
we doing that thing again?
I'll
When
watch
I'm watching
you.
you watching me?
I'll watch you watching me.
Okay, we're doing that thing again.
What weirdos. What's this thing? Did you open this up there, Brooke? What is it?
No, it's just water. It's just a tank.
Just water?
Yeah.
I'm interested. Can you open it? Oh, Jesus. It's a big red back there.
Why do you want to open it?
I want to see inside it. It's crisp. It smells chlorinated.
That's more chlorinated, doesn't it? Buddy.
Night starts coming, and we fall into
We have made it to camp. So good. Right near Baal Bone Gap. Massive big grass area. Hell yeah.
Someone left the fire going for us.
Yeah, what's the plan, Stu?
Car.
The only downside is, where do you go for shit without seeing?
I know, that's fucking...
Stu told you find a tree that can hold your weight.
Yeah, but everyone can do ya.
Yeah.
We're all friends. Man's got to do what a man's got to do.
What are you gonna do?
Number 2.
So does that mean you have to borrow the axe or the hatchet? What the hell is that thing you got?
I call it a shovel.
Shovel the axe.
But it's so much more than just a shovel.
It
A
is.
shovel.
Looks like an axe.
It is. Axe, saw, shovel, socket, smashing windows, flint, screwdriver.
Oh,
Did you want a decent axe there? Paulie or what?
Yeah, but this is big enough.
No, this one's bigger.
oh, mate. You know how much?
Where's your...
That's me wood bag. What are you doing?
Got my Raiders green.
Yeah, buddy. Go the Raiders. I reckon they're playing tonight. Or no, is it tomorrow?
Tomorrow night.
Oh. Haven't got slow-mo on this camera.
Cheers.
Let it rip anyway. Don't fucking get it on the camera.
Ah, scared the shit out of him.
Which way did you come from?
Yeah. Yeah, down.
Oh, the boys are off.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, so what did we do before I last come out here? Come out yourselves.
It's very easy, it was nice.
It's way too easy now.
Yeah.
What are you having for dinner?
Nah, tacos.
Oh, right. Yeah,
sorry,
you're with Ledbrook, aren't you?
Tacos.
Taco bowl thing.
Yep.
Just like Vic High Country trip that time.
That looks fucking amazing.
Stuey, what are you on?
This is Thai green curry chicken with rice. I can highly recommend. Meals for one.
Meals for one, lovely.
Beautiful.
Davo?
Oh mate, I'm just going for the simple sausage and a bread with onions. And a nice brioche what are they called? Brioche bread, yeah.
Now he's the king of camp cooking. Am I wrong?
You are right. The tomato's a bit ripe, but we've got the rice going. Do you want to check out what a real bloody
What a real man eats
food?
like.
Yeah, what a real man eats.
It's chips, bowls of noodles, pea and ham soup, cup of soup, chips.
What more can you ask for?
That fucking esky.
Lucky I don't actually eat like that 24/7, eh? If I did,
Well, that looks pretty healthy. The green stuff there.
the green stuff. Bloody hell, I hope this just keeps cooking, man.
Yeah, your rice is looking a bit sad. I'll go check out what Maddie and I are having.
What are you having?
Gourmet hot dogs.
Gourmet hot
Jamie would like it because they're gourmet.
Nice. Oh! Gourmet. You.
Doing a good job.
Yeah.
Look at that, bacon, cheese, coleslaw, sauce, mustard, and a hot dog on top, and a little bit of this stuff. This shit I got from Brindabella Winery, and it is hottest shit ever. It actually come up pretty bloody good.
What do you mean? Come on, pretty good.
Some of that Reaper on it.
Shit, no. Yeah, we'll give it a crack.
Yeah, get that spoonful in your gob. You'll know about it.
Well, it's got some tang to it.
It's got some tang.
I feel going in right now. I'm blessed.
Looks fucking good. Maltesers.
I'd like to see this.
Ooh.
It's not ready.
Show us.
It's not ready.
It's kind of.
I was talked into it. I was talked into it. What people?
Which button do I press?
No,
No, that was the same.
Ah!
No, not that one.
Yeah, this one's
Ah,
fucking
that's it.
started out on me.
Whoa, that's fucking bright. Jesus Christ.
No.
Pop.
You're out, Dave. No, I'm not up.
I'm going that bit. Don't get.
Mate, I just want that bit. Oh, someone blew the top of it. Do you want some butter?
No.
Butter and
Shit, no.
Yeah, fuck yeah, bro.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, what? You rub cream?
Oh.
Rub cream. Cream tip. Cream tipping. Those dipping cream.
Mmm.
Oh, trusty bit's the best bit.
Good, Dave.
Yeah.
Ha! You going back? I don't know what they're talking about. Yum. Good job. Worthwhile. Oh, it's all over me.
That's what she said.
Yeah. Spraying it everywhere.